So don't get excited because this unit is not for sale. You remember when we did that property tour over at the Cosmo for the rental we were doing? Well, these same owners took this unit, completely gutted the place, and turned it into something that's straight out of Architectural Digest. Let's go check it out. Talk about some of my absolute favorite features in this unit. If you know me, alarm's going off at 4 a.m. and that first espresso and latte is being made by 4:30 the latest. Built-in espresso bar and a nice wine fridge underneath for when you get home to open up a nice bottle of Cab, you know it. Talk about a walk-in closet. Where in the heart of Miami do you get one like this? Space more than you could imagine. And the best part about this unit is the location. I'm telling you guys, you have some of the absolute best restaurants down there to not only enjoy the Miami lifestyle, but enjoy the best food around at the same time.